Introducing the Gerber Gear Dime 12-in-1 Mini Multi-Tool, a versatile companion for everyday tasks and outdoor adventures. This compact tool boasts a 12-in-1 functionality, featuring everything from needle nose pliers to a pocket knife and bottle opener. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Its slim design makes it easy to carry on a keychain or in your pocket, while the butterfly opening ensures quick access when needed, whether you're camping, hiking, or working on DIY projects. This multi-tool is a must-have addition to your gear. With a convenient size and backed by the Gerber guarantee, it's ready to tackle any task with ease. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button and hit subscribe for all updates.